Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mike, and this is Travel Party Explorer. Thanks for stopping by and checking out my channel. These are my stories.
In Japan, ladies and gentlemen. I'm in Narita.
I am in Koh Phangan, Thailand. It is October 17th. It is the day of the full moon party. It is pouring fucking rain.
I'm in Canada. This is Ottawa.
Bali, Indonesia, motherfucker. Bali, Indonesia.
This is Agra, India. This is the Taj Mahal behind me. This was Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. And I am leaving Sri Lanka. I am in Hulu Mali, Maldives. This is Koh Sam Road in Bangkok, Thailand.
If you're looking for inspirational quotes, then you've come to the wrong place. I'm just gonna be myself, and that's the way that it's gonna be for the rest of my life. If you like it, cool, subscribe, keep watching. Love to hear from you. Feel free to comment below. Let's enjoy life and live like there's no fucking tomorrow. Come join me now. We'll go travel, party, and explore the shit out of this fucking place.
I love you guys. I love the world. I miss you guys. I wish you were here. Good night. Goodbye. I'll see you again tomorrow.